Greetings and welcome to the introduction to Midterm Exam 1 for Chemistry 221. Okay, in the last three chapter guides 1, 2, and 3, you started to learn a lot of material, and now it's just time to share with me what you have learned. So in those last chapters, you learned about things like sig figs and density, Celsius to Kelvin. You also talked about some naming of compounds, talked about atoms, elements, isotopes, that kind of jazz, the wavelength, the frequencies, how the Planck constant and speed of light play a factor, the quantum numbers, all this kind of stuff. And now it's time just to share with me what you've learned, and that's what the midterm is all about. Now, the actual format of the midterm will probably change year to year. So as I create this video, please check with me for final details. But here's some things I'm sure I can say right now that will apply. You will have some multiple choice questions to answer, and there will also be some short answer questions. You will be able to use your calculator, definitely, that's critical. I will give you a periodic table, but it will be closed notes. You won't have access to any notes you might take or anything. You won't have access to the books, the computers, the internet. When you get the midterm back from me, probably the following week, I will return it with a summary sheet which says how you're doing in the class as of this time. And I encourage you to check that out. Make sure that the grades are correct. If it says you're missing a lab, make sure you get the labs in. There's a lab completion bonus, all this kind of stuff. Also, one last thing, there is a sample midterm exam on the website and in the companion, and I encourage you to check that out. It will give you a sense of the kind of questions I'll be asking, and you can actually test yourself using that exam. The answers are given so you can see how you're doing, all right? And if you run into something you don't understand, definitely reach out to me. Okay, I wish you the best of all possible luck on your midterm. Good luck with your studying and have a great day.